All right, we are done upstairs. Crooked glasses. We're done upstairs. We done put the buffer on it down. Buffer's down there. We're finished out down to the hallway. White pad. These floors have super thin, if any, polyurethane on them. So they didn't respond as normal, but they are definitely looking a lot better than what they were. Now, when we come in and clean these floors, and get the dirt up off of them, you start seeing things like where area roads were at, like right down in front of me, where a lot of it's worn off. That stuff gets exposed. So it's nothing in the process that we do that makes that happen. It's just wear and tear. But these floors have been cleaned. They're looking good. I would probably, if I'd done anything to these, instead of sanding them all the way down, probably screen and coat. Unless they just want to match everything. Screening, recoat on these probably. But they won't match the floors that we've done downstairs. But anyway, this room is done. Hallway is done. This bedroom right here seemed to be the one that had the most traffic in it all, or the most traffic of all. So you see a lot of wear and tear on that. Now, being that the poly was so thin on here that I didn't even think it had any poly on it, just stain. That will happen a lot faster. So if we get two good, nice coats of polyurethane on floors, then they withstand a whole lot more. Cut this light off. And then we are going to go into the third bedroom, which seems to be the one that was used the least. And you can see out here the sheen coming off of the floors. So that polyurethane will buff right back up and look good. So of the 3 bedrooms upstairs, this is probably the one that was used the least. So, and you can see where they, on the baseboards, where they've actually stained the floor and got it on the baseboards. We tape it off and don't get it up there. Even though quarter round or whatever trim's going to cover that up, we still tape it off, as you've seen in our videos from earlier. Anyway, we're done up here. We're moving downstairs to the master bedroom, sweeping it up now and getting the product sprayed on the floor, and then we'll move into the kitchen. The kitchen is a little bit different creature, different type flooring. We'll see it here in a minute. Anyway, give us a call. That number's 513-817-1700. Or you can do it online. You can book online. All that stuff is all available for you. We would love to have you as a client. So give us a call. All right.